Hello, Honors Chem students. Mr. Keister here with you again today. This is the video for Thursday, November 5th, 2020, which I believe is our 54th scheduled day of school for the fall semester. Always keep in mind, though, that the dates could change for a variety of reasons, but the lessons and the order that those lessons are presented will remain the same regardless. So let's take a look at our schedule. Today's due nows. Okay, again, this is just an intro video. Of course, we've been talking about this for the last several weeks. We are following along Chem 2. They're about a month ahead of us right now, and so, but the lesson that I gave them at that time is the exact same one you are going to be getting today. So once I go over this intro, you may then go ahead and go to the main lesson video, and I'll just go ahead and tell you now. You can skip ahead the first 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So the first 2:40 on the lesson video is references Chem 2 schedule and things related to that class. So you can just skip right on by that. If you go about the first 2 minutes and 40 seconds, you should be right about where the lesson begins. So that's where you need to start. All right, so let's take a look at our schedule. Oh boy, today's a big day. All right, today you're picking up a lot of charts and handouts and so forth, along with an assignment. We're going to get started on the modern atomic model, which is the quantum mechanical model. It's also called quantum theory for short. Yesterday we had a lab, a big one, lab 4-1 over the atomic spectra and the Bohr model. So that was your assignment for today, was to complete that lab, turn it in right now. Of course, if you're in class, it should already be on my desk. If you are at home, make sure that you submit to me electronically your lab by the time your class period normally begins. That is when it is due, so don't be late. All right. You can check your answers quickly if you haven't already. They are posted here on the backboard with my data, of course, when I ran the lab. So it's sample data only, but it's here on the board for you at home. It is also on the answer keys page in Canvas. There were a lot of calculations and questions to answer on this lab. I hope you did them all, and I hope you checked the key to make sure that you did do them all. All right. Today, like I said, big day today, and we got a big week coming, as in the next 5 or so days. So today we're going to start the quantum mechanical model or quantum theory of the atom. This is the modern atomic theory. Hang on, as I said at the beginning, hang on, folks. There's a lot of handouts, charts, and info coming. Turn your brains on and listen closely today and in the coming days. You're going to have an assignment, an introductory one that is due tomorrow. Your next online homework assignment, Unit 4.1 EMR and the Bohr model, is due tomorrow at 7:30 a.m., tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. And as another reminder, I've reminded you this now several days, for number 10B, which I believe is the very last question, you will need to multiply your final energy answer by Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23, which will give you your final answer in joules, all right? Your calculation would give you the energy of 1 photon. The question 10B asks you what the energy would be for a mole of photons. Hence, you need to multiply your answer by Avogadro's number. I have that info posted in Canvas on the calendar with the assignment in case you forget, but I've reminded you about it now like 3 times. So hopefully you can refer to this too. Hopefully you won't forget. So that's due tomorrow morning, 7:30. All right. So I think that is all for this introductory video. So again, I want you to go to the main lesson video over the quantum mechanical model. This is the first day of that, part 1. And so you may skip ahead again the first 2 minutes and 40 seconds or so. That'll get you past the Chem 2 intro stuff and right to the lesson. Again, any references made to Chem 2 or Chem 2's unit number or page number, you may ignore. All right, you may ignore. Otherwise, the lesson is exactly the way it needs to be for you guys as well. All right. So until next time, this is Mr. Keister signing off. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Keep working hard. And for heaven's sake, stay focused, especially now. All right. Stay focused. Big time stuff coming now, folks. Be ready. Get those brains turned on and have them ready to go. So go ahead and get to the main lesson, and I will catch you next time. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. See ya.